In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign in to your Google account. So first of all, launch open Google Chrome on your device. You can see over here Google Chrome has been opened. Tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in account.google.com, search for it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the Google account interface. If you're not logged into any Google account on your device, you'll be led to the sign in interface from where you'll be able to sign into your account. If you're already logged into the account, what you have to do is simply tap on the account icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, scroll down, tap on this option, add another account that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the sign in interface. From here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. So tap on the field of email or phone. Now what you have to do is simply enter your email address or phone number associated with your Google account. If you have forgotten your email, tap on this option, forgot email, and you'll be able to recover it. Now once you do that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, what you have to do is enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the option forgot password and you'll be able to reset it. Otherwise, simply enter your password over here. Now once you enter the password, tap on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now tap on this option I agree that you can see on the screen. You're basically agreeing to Google terms of service and privacy policy. Now wait for a while and you can see over here you'll be logged into your Google account. So that is how you sign into your Google account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.